Now I want to tell you all about some of the medical defects that are often used in the daily health environment. I have 38 medical tools. The first, bedpan, for the patient who are unconscious or too weak to sit up or walk to the toilet to defecation. 2. Cannula, to create a permanent pathway to a vein for the purpose of repeat injection or infusion of intravenous fluids. 3. Cardiovascular, to correct arrhythmias of the heart or to start up a heart that is not breathing. 4. Catheter, to drain and collect urine directly from the bladder. Also, to ice a massive oxygen tube. Dialyzer, for remove toxic materials for the blood that are generally removed by the kidney, as in case of kidney failure. Electrocardiograph, the record the electrical activity the heart over a period of time. Enema equipment, the inject fluid into the lower bowel for several purposes, most frequently for relieving constipation. Endoscopy, to look inside the gastrointestinal tract, as mainly in surgery or by surgical constance. Gas cylinder, as a supply of oxygen, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide. Gaussian sponge, to absorb bulk and other fluid as well as clean wounds. Surgical scissors, as for distancing or cutting. Hypodermic atau needle syringe, for injection and
Selamat datang di Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado yang terletak dekat dengan kawasan bisnis Bahu Mall Manado. Tempatnya di Kelurahan Bahu, Lingkungan 3 Manado, sangat strategis di pusat kota Manado. Dibangun di atas lahan seluas 2,5 hektar, Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado berdiri megah dengan ruangan 7 lantai, terdiri dari ruangan kelas, ruangan kantor, perpustakaan, laboratorium komputer, laboratorium keperawatan, pengadilan semu, dan laboratorium bahasa, kantin, serta rooftop di lantai atas. Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado memiliki 6 fakultas dengan program studi, yaitu Fakultas Pertanian, Prodi Agribisnis, Fakultas Hukum, Prodi Hukum, Fakultas Teknik, Prodi Teknik Elektro dan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial Ilmu Politik, Prodi Ilmu Politik, Fakultas Sastra, Prodi Sastra Inggris, Fakultas Keperawatan, Prodi Ilmu Keperawatan dan Profesi Nurse. Didukung oleh sumber daya manusia yang berkompeten dan tersertifikasi, Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado memiliki dosen dan tenaga kependidikan dengan latar belakang S2 dan S3 lulusan dalam dan luar negeri. Proses belajar mengajar dilaksanakan dengan teknologi informasi merujuk perkembangan dunia modern saat ini, dilakukan dengan sistem e-learning dan sistem ujian online atau ULAIN. Hasil tracer student Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado dan fakultas menyebutkan lulusan UNPI sudah tersebar di dalam dan luar negeri. Selamat bergabung putra-putri terbaik bangsa. Kembangkan dirimu, raih cita-citamu setinggi bintang di langit. Kami siap menghasilkan generasi terbaik dan pemimpin di masa depan.
Hypodermic needle sewing for injection and aspiration of blood or fluid for the body. Infection control, as in gloves, gowns, bonnets, show covers, face shields, goggles, and surgical masks for preventing nosocomial or health care associated in interaction. Instrument sterilizer, to sterilize instrument in absence of an autoclave. Kidney disk, as a tray for instruments, gauze tissue. Measuring tape, for length, height, a hat, circumference, and girth measurement. Medical halogen pen light, to see into the eyes. Natural offices aids and the tests for pupillary like relax. Medical ultrasound, the create an image of internal body structure. Nasogastric tube, for nasogastric suction of the introduction of food or drug into the body. Nebulizer, to produce aerosol of drug to be administered by respiratory route. Ophthalmoscopy, to look at the retina. Otoscopy, to look in the external ear cavity. Oxygen mask and tubers, to the reliever gases to the mouth, Northridge, to assist in oxygen intake or to administer aerosol or gaseous drugs. Pipette or dropper, to measure out doses of liquid, especially in children. Proctoscopy, to look inside the anal canal and lower part of the rectum. Radiography, to view internal body structures. Reflex hammer, to test motor reflex of the body. PCG manometer to measure the patient blood pressure, stethoscope, the heart sound for movement within the body like heartbeats, instinctual movement, breath sound, suction device to sort up blood or secretion, thermometer to record body temperature, to tongue depth pressure for us in oral examination, transfusion kit to transfuse blood and blood products, tuning form to test for deafness and to categorize it, ventilator to assist or carry out the mechanical arts of inspiration and expiration so the non-respiring patient can do so a come on competent of life support, watch at or stopwatch for recording rates like heart rate, respiratory rate, for curtain hearing rates, weighing scale to measure weight, crowdline for caps to remove foreign bodies for earth or nasal cavities. Thank you for your attention. I hope my presentation will be useful for you. See you and thank you.